Did you know that you can use DeepSeek inside Claude Code and it takes less than 30 seconds to set up? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and I'm going to show you exactly what the results are as well. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come to this page here. You can also just search online DeepSeek Claude Code and then look for the official Anthropic API here. This is on DeepSeek's docs. Then you just want to Control A, or if you don't want to copy all the sidebar stuff, just shift click at the very bottom here. And you want to put this into a new Claude Code instance. So mkdir DeepSeek Claude, cd DeepSeek Claude. Then I'm going to write Claude. And then I'm going to say, help me set up DeepSeek. Okay, so you can see the model is, at the moment it says model opus. There's nothing here either. So I'm going to say, please help me set up DeepSeek for Claude Code. And then I'm going to paste this here. And then I'm just going to grab my DeepSeek API key as well. And I'll just say this is my API key and paste it. So what this will do is it will give you all of the commands that you need in order to set this up for your particular system. Now, obviously, this knows that I'm on Mac. So it's going to run those commands, whether it works or not, or whether I have to restart Claude, etc. We'll see in just a second. So let's just actually do mkdir. We'll call this Next.js DeepSeek, cd Next.js DeepSeek. Now, it should give me a command to run. Have a look. Okay, so if you look here, this is on the other conversation, right? If I do Claude here, you'll see if I do /model, DeepSeek chat has been selected. So it's actually that quick and that simple to set this up. People think it's more difficult. People don't even know that you can use other models inside Claude Code. And then, yeah, this is basically the update. Now, apparently, the real mode wasn't available until either yesterday or something. Now, I'm not exactly sure about that, but I was watching a video from someone before. Basically, they were saying that, yeah, basically this is the best position it's ever been in. Now, what I'm curious to see is whether or not this can actually do, something useful, basically. So I'll just hop on over to my school community quickly, and we'll grab my prompts for to test this basically. So inside all my prompts and workflows, prompts to create a service-based app. There we go. First things first, we need to create the Next.js project. So I'll just say yes to all of that. And then Next.js DeepSeek, we'll just open this up. And then here we'll open up Rolls-Royce. Sure, this one. We just need the images from this folder to be put into that folder. So we'll just grab this public and put it here. There we go. Okay, so we should be good to go here. Let's just grab the prompt. Now, this is the first time I'm using a different, different model, basically. Let's just double check the model here. DeepSeek, there we go. There's the prompt. We smash enter, and then we just let it go, and we see what happens. Let's see if it can actually build this properly. Let's see if DeepSeek's actually a good model. It's just my previous test was with, for example, I think it was Klein, and it didn't go that well. So let's see how it does with Claude Code. Now, actually, one more thing I'm just going to quickly do is I'm going to do Claude -- dangerously skip permissions. And I'm going to say, let's do the C, so we'll do -R. I think this one. Yeah, continue. Okay, so now it shouldn't add or permissions do anything, it should just build. Okay, so there's kind of two things that we're testing here. Number one is the DeepSeek API versus OpenRouter. A lot of people told me after my video that actually the DeepSeek API is much better than whatever is on OpenRouter, so I thought I'd test that out. And the other thing is obviously Klein versus Claude Code, because if you can use any model inside Claude Code and it does a better job with those models than Klein, then yeah, I'm not gonna lie, rip Klein basically. So we'll see how this video goes. Okay, so let's have a little test, little look at everything here. Seems to have done a fairly good job. Okay, moment of truth. It's running on localhost 3009. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like it did actually work. Yeah, okay. For a free LLM, the fact that it even works is a huge improvement. Every single page works as well. I mean, this is pretty good. When I say free, I know it's not free, sorry, open source. So it's a very, very cheap LLM. So if you're curious, for context, we spent on this website, we spent 13 cents, which is pretty damn good. Um, it's managed to build everything. Let's see if the Italian works. That is an important thing that is quite difficult. Right, it does work. Does it keep? It does. Clicking through, everything is in Italian. Everything has good SEO, it seems. Let's see. Okay, the SEO hasn't been done, which is part of the prompt, so I have to give it minus marks for that. But this is by far the best result I've ever had from anything that's not like a SOTA paid model. So open source is getting there, guys. 100% open source is getting there. It's not quite there yet, but damn, this is definitely worth your time, I would say. This one probably didn't work because it has an apostrophe in it, I would guess. Oh, that one also didn't work. Okay, so the location pages are all 404. Okay, so yeah, I mean, overall, it's done probably as well as something like ChatGPT 4.0 or Anthropic 3.5, maybe, I would say, inside Klein. Huge improvement. Claude Code with DeepSeek is looking actually pretty insane. Now, in terms of pricing for Claude Code, I'm not sure how it works. You guys might have to let me know, but you can probably use it just paying $18 a month for Claude. You could use Opus for planning, or if you could just use DeepSeek as like a backup in case you run out of usage or whatever it might be. I'll leave the video there, guys. I'm not going to go on when there's no need to. I think this is a pretty damn good result. I'm actually pretty impressed by this, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend as usual. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.